This is going over quiz 10-4, 10-5. Let's see what we've got here. On problem one, let's see what they give us first of all. Okay, they say arc LNM is 264. So let's start at L, go to N, go to M. That whole arc right there, that pink arc, okay, is 264 degrees from there all the way around to there. Okay, good. We want Y. Well, first thing to do is figure out the other arc. This arc right here, that yellow arc. Well, what do you know? What do you know all the arcs in a circle? Yeah, they add up to 360. Here it is. 360 minus 264. That's 10. That's going to be 5. 10 minus 4 is 6. 35 minus 26 is 9. There it is, 96 degrees. Now, look at this angle. Boom, right there. Hey, that's an inscribed angle. Hey, what do you know about an inscribed angle? Look at that. The vertex is on the circle. Inscribed angle is half of the arc. Here it is. That Y is going to be 1/2 of the arc that it opens up to. 1/2 of 96. What's that? 45 and 3. What's that? 48. Boom, there it is. 48 degrees right there. Okay, now let's go down to this one, number 2. Okay, where do they give us? They said arc ACB is 220. So let's figure it out here. Here it is. ACB is 220. That is 220 degrees right there. 220. From here to there. We want to find the X angle. Well, what do you know? Hey, this is 10-5. Look at the formula sheet that you have. What you have right here, you have a chord and a tangent. Okay? Chord, tangent. Okay. Yeah, the angle right here is 1/2 of the arc that it opens up to. It opens up to the 220 degree arc. So angle X equals 1/2 of the arc that it opens up to. Boom, 110, done. Okay, let's go to 3. Now, on 3, there's a lot of stuff in number 3. I like it. Let's put the information down first. Arc AC. That's the shortest arc between A and C. That's right here. That's going to be 80, it says. Okay, good. Arc CD. That's this little one right over here. Let's do it in blue. Right here. That's going to be 37. Nice. Okay. Now, we want to find 3 things. We want to find angle FQE. Let's go find the angle FQE. That's that angle right there. Okay. We want to find angle FAE. That's that angle right there. Then we want to find angle B. That's outside the circle over here. Well, here's what I know. First of all, hey, how is a central angle compared to its arc? They're the same. A central angle is the same as its arc. Wait a second. If that's 80, that's 80 vertical angles. FQE, let's put it down. 80 degrees. Now, take a look at this. Hey, 80 degrees central angle. A central angle is equal to its arc. So if that's 80 degrees, that's 80 degrees of arc. Now, take a look at this inscribed angle. I'm going to outline it for you in yellow. Here we go. Look at that angle. Do you see that angle, that yellow angle? It's an inscribed angle because the vertex is on the circle. How does an inscribed angle compare to the arc that it opens up to? It's half. Boom, right here. Hey, if that's 80 up there, boom, 40 right there. Again, inscribed angle is half of the arc that it opens up to. FAE, angle FAE, 40 degrees. Now, angle B. You're looking at these two right here. Okay, let's outline them in this dark blue. Okay, here we go. I want a dark blue. There we go. Good. Take a look here and here. Those are two secants. You're looking at 10-5 formula sheet. When you have two secants, the angle right here, the angle is equal to the big arc minus the small arc. Let's set it up. Here it is. Angle B equals 1/2 times the big arc, which is 80 degrees, minus the small arc, which is 37 degrees. That's the third formula. The lower formula on your formula sheet. Let's go do it. Angle B equals 1/2. Okay, let's see. 80 minus 37. What's that? That's going to be 43. 43. Hey, half of 43. 21.5. 21.5. Boom, right there. 21.5 degrees. Right in there. Nice. A lot of stuff in that problem. Okay, let's go right here. Number 4. Okay. We want to get arc JK. That's the first thing they ask for. It's right here. Well, I think you could do that. What do all the arcs in a circle have to add up to? 360. Let's see what we used already. We used a 52. We used a 112. We used a 130. Let's see what we got. Okay, that's going to be a 4. That's going to be 6. That's going to be 9. That's going to be 294. Let's take it away from 360. Minus 294. What's that, 66? There you go. 66 degrees. That's our first answer. Arc JK, 66 degrees. Now, let's do the A first of all. Look at this angle down here. It's an inscribed angle. Look at the arc that it opens up to. It opens up to this arc. Do you see that? This right here, this inscribed angle right here, it opens up to the pink arc. Well, how big is the pink arc? 52 and 66. 52, 66. That's going to be 8. That's going to be 118. 118 here to here. Let's go do it. Hey, inscribed angle is half of that. So here's our little equation. I'm going to do it down below. 3A equals 1/2 of 118. Hey, 3A equals 1/2 of that. That's going to be what, 59? There you go. Looking good, huh? Divide by 3. A equals 59 over 3. Let's do that in the calc, okay? Here we go. 59 divided by 3, boom, 1966. Okay, 1966, there it is. That's your A value. Can you have a decimal? As long as it works in the problem. Let's do the B now. Look at the angle B and look at where it opens up to. Okay, here we go. Here's the 4B. Look at where it opens up to. It opens up to here and to here. So here's the arc that it opens up to. Let's do it in black. There's the arc that it opens up to. How big is that arc? Well, 66 and 112. 66 and 112. Let's see what we got. We got 8, we got 7, we got 1, 178. 178. Here to here. Hey, we're going to set up a same equation. 4B equals 1/2 of 178. Remember, inscribed angle is half of the arc that it opens up to. 4b equals, what's half of 178? Let's go see that. 178, cut it in half. Yeah, okay, 89. Okay. 89, divide by 4, divide by 4. Okay, 89 over 4, let's see what we got. 89 over 4, boom, there it is, 2225. 22, 22, 25. Nice. Okay. Let's see. I'll tell you what. Come on back for more. We got a part 2. Part 2's coming up. Come back for more.